Welcome back to Internet Avail. In today's video, we are going to look into how to create a Facebook group in just some few steps. But before we get into that, if you do love my videos and you find them educative, just go ahead and make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, so that each and every time I have a new episode, you always be the first one to be notified. So open your Facebook application, and from here I want you to go to the menu section right here. And from here I want you to look for the option of groups. You can see we have pages, friends, and then we have groups. Since we want to create a new group, we just need to open the group option, and then you need to look for this option, your groups. Get to click that, and then from here you're going to see the option of create groups, which is the option that we'll be looking for. Get to click that, and then from here you'll need to get creative. You get to come up with the name of the group that you want to create, and of course we have the privacy settings right there. If you want the group to be public, or whether you want the group to be private. So for the case of the private group, only members can see who is in the group and what they post. For the public purposes, anyone can see who is in the group and what they get to post. For our case, we are just creating a group for public, so let's just choose we go with the public options. So from here I want to get to, for instance, let me just come up with the name bulldog lovers. Let me just this is just a simple name I'm coming up for the purpose of just illustrating to you what I'm talking about. So get to click create group, and give it a few seconds for it to proceed. Then from here you'll need to choose whether you want to invite people, or if you want to share the link for people to join, you can do that. So you can get to choose people who you want to invite from here. So from there you'll need to get to the next option and add a cover photo for the group. If you don't have one right now, just proceed to next. You add the description, and then from here get to create your first post, and of course your group will just be created just like that. So that's how easy it is to create a group. Hopefully you have found the video valuable. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and of course I'll be looking forward to seeing you in the next episode.